I guess so. I don't do this often, but today I'm gonna do actual unboxing of a little utility I got a while back. I just never got to it. Now it is quite cold outside. So what it is, it's this little box which is hiding the huge piece, Pogo piece, and this is the multifunctional RTK battery bar. So okay. So here it is, all in its nice and shiny glory. As you can see up front here we have a battery indicator. So this one is 75% charged up. It has the standard thread on top and on the bottom, so you can attach it to your Pogo. It has on the other side has a two-prong plug, which and it comes with this cable, and depending on which brand of your instrument is, on the other side you get the proper connector. So since I'm using Trimble mostly, I get the Limo, is it 2, 4, 6, 7 pin Limo, and so basically what you're gonna do is just plug it in here and plug the other side into your base, as you could probably seen on the pictures. There's one more thing which this comes with, in it's obviously a charger, just a regular standard here in North America, two-prong charger. So that's that. Now why I do like this is because, as you guys seen on my Instagram from the pictures, my setup, it's a 2-meter Pogo with a bipod on for the base. So I want to take this time, as you guys admire this little carbon fiber battery pack. Don't forget to subscribe. It helps me to continue doing these videos. Let me know down in comments if you would like to see more of these handy accessories. Okay, so the standard Trimble battery is 2.7 Ah ampere hours. Now this one is 10 ampere hours. So if we were to say, it's probably like 4 of these in one of these. So if you can run a whole day on brand new 1 or 2 batteries, you could probably run 2 days on this one. So that's my newest toy. Hopefully it will intrigue you guys. I've seen people using different batteries, from the drill batteries to car batteries, but this one is very little portable one, easy to snap on and easy to use. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.